We'll give you a few pointers today, and the first important pointer is that it's important to think of a redundancy as making a position or a job redundant rather than an employee redundant. Therefore, one reason you might be making somebody redundant is the work they were doing no longer needs to be done. Alternatively, it may be that there's another employee who can do that work as well as their own work. A third reason might be, for example, that you're ceasing a particular type of work altogether. The next point is that you must look carefully at any possible alternatives to making the employee redundant. So, for example, can he do other work for the firm? Or could he be put on short-term working? Or could he be temporarily laid off? It will be expected from you that you make these inquiries. The next thing is that you have a very careful and fair and transparent selection process as regards who is going to be made redundant. You should have a very fair scoring system that looks at all the relevant factors and apply these factors to all of the employees to see who should be selected. The next issue is that you should have a very clear procedure for putting in place redundancies. This will involve carefully looking at who should be selected for redundancy, as I said earlier, but also a procedure for consulting with the employees to discuss proposed redundancies. The final issue is complying with the law in relation to the formalities about making somebody redundant, and that means that you must submit the relevant redundancy form and you must pay at least the amount that they're entitled to under the law. Making somebody redundant is a very difficult thing for an employer. We're here to help and to ensure that you stay within the law. My name is Farrell, and you'll find my contact details on the website.